And I have another friend that said, and you put, I don't even have my drink. Yeah, it's going to be handy because most of the time, I'm riding the bike on that one.
Gagawa tayo ng hackage page. Hackage page. Yung reels na
coming back, okay? But anyway,
this is their destination?
Yes, and then
so just a loop around the stage?
Guys, we would like to welcome also a new member of PCCT. This is the music bands put together by your teacher. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2! Again. 1, 2, 3, I'm going to be incredibly quick. The Filipino
Hydrate.
pag ano.
Bagay sa ito na.
Baka ma-discover tayo.
Tabi kayo.
What?
Doon sa stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, one crew president. Roll! Ano mo kay Louie?
Nasaan belbelgam? Number 1.
Message mo kay Louie.
Number 1. Walang tatalo. Parang Alaska. Hindi naman yan.
Makikita mo. Louie, sorry. Pinakailangan ko yung camera mo.
Na-hijack.
Edit mo na lang.
Kung nangangailangan kayo, si Louie lapitan nyo.
Oo. Nawawala po si Louie. Alam ko na sikreto ni Louie. Steep tea. Too sweet. Oh, too sweet. One sweetener.
Nandun ka pa no sa Oshawa?
Naisuzoom in ba? Hindi alam ni Louie na kinukuha ng kita. Makikita niya na lang pag edit niya. Message mo kay Louie. Anong message mo kay Louie?
Papagalit. Papakabait ka, Louie.
Touching hands, reaching out.
No, there's always limited time to set up, so we want to take up. They also have always been supporting Extravaganza, and they performed in.
Yung mga nandito sa baba na nakadilaw, black and white pa lang, sumasayaw na sila.
Hi guys, I'm Will Sounds from Wilson's House of Lechon. O tara na! Kuhan tayo ng barbecue sa Itson.
Yung maple leaf drink.
Basta mahal kita'y maging suka hanggang ako'y buhay. Basta't mahal kita'y tahimik na itong buhay. Brother po siya na po sa kamalig. Sino ang ating celebrity? Ako. Ayan, ayan. Sana namin.
Ayun, ito tayo matutuloy sa pag-shoot.
Marami ba yun? Okay, okay. Balik naman tayo.
Mr. Rocket.
Support, okay? Thank you guys.
Green peas.
Next weekend, set up. Guys. Heading out. Take care.
What's your name?
Thank you. Go.
Beth? Go back to your seat.